Okay.
उफ स्टार्ट करें.
Yes, start करते हैं.
This podcast is brought to you by Unengineered Media.
Get your podcasts, vlogs, videos, sketches, scripted, edited, and produced by Unengineered Media.
We can make thumbnails, we can make stories, we can make any other marketing content you want.
And we can thus help your business grow. so if you or any of your friends need any of our services or whatever we do here at Unengineered, we want you want us to do the same for you, hit us up in the comments or in the DMs, and don't forget to get Unengineered.
Welcome to the 21st episode of Unengineered Podcast. The 20th episode is doing so well, guys. I think it's a new redesign or new marketing or whatever. I don't know. And it wasn't even about tech. It was just about us. So I'm glad it's successful. I just hope this one is successful too.
Yep.
So in this episode, we're gonna talk about the new update to WhatsApp, the payments feature, the chat feature, and the 15% Apple cut. So stay tuned for that.
And because Advait forgets to do this again and again, hello Unengineers. Let's get started with this episode.
So let's start with WhatsApp, I guess.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, and the payment feature. So turns out now your friends can ask you for money and you don't even have to change your app to send them money.
And
So
you
they
cannot
can loot you when
you
you
can't give excuses. Oh भाई अभी जी पे नहीं चल रहा है, sorry भैया, ऐसा नहीं, अभी तो नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है, पैसा देना है वापस अभी. So WhatsApp Pay has finally rolled out to 20 million WhatsApp users in India as of now. I have been waiting for this feature
Yeah.
for a year now. मैं एक साल से वेट कर रहा हूँ इस फीचर का, ठीक है?
Really?
Yeah.
I haven't gotten it on my phone. I don't know why. सबको मिल गया मेरे को छोड़ के.
क्या ना? It's I'll
So
tell
it's
you
not
why.
20
I'll tell you
million.
why it's 20 million.
19 million, 9 million.
Ouch, man. Very optimistic of Advait to assume that he's within the 20 million. Let me give you some context, okay? WhatsApp has 400 million users in India, right? Which is more than the population of America, if I'm not wrong, right? Almost equal to the population of America. America has like 300 million, 400 million people. उतना इंडिया में WhatsApp users है, ठीक है? तो the problem with WhatsApp Pay coming into India was हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने 2 साल तक नाटक किया. 2 साल तक WhatsApp has been trying to push WhatsApp Pay into India for the last 2 years, believe it or not. But
What?
yes,
I didn't know that.
Yes, you don't know that. That's why I told you I've been waiting for it for a year.
Oh, they were That's okay. They weren't allowed to do it.
Yes,
That's
there were
okay.
so many government regulations,
That I know.
and the banking sector is in India is, I don't know how to say it without.
Coffee regulated.
Yeah, I can't. I don't know how to say it without using the F word, but it's massively, it's so messed up. Like that is why you saw PMC Bank go down. Recently, what happened with Lakshmi Vilas Bank go down. All these stupid banks have been giving bad loans out to people. That's a separate podcast in itself. But because of all these regulations and all this red tape, WhatsApp Pay को India में आने को 2 साल लगा, ठीक है? I have been waiting for the last 1 year, and since WhatsApp has such a big user base in India, Indian government ने बोला sorry, तुम लोग सीधा आके मोनोपोलाइज कर दोगे, तो मत आओ. So WhatsApp बोला सर रुको 1 सेकंड 2 सेकंड रुको सर रुको, थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते ना, तेरा ना मेरा, मैं स्टार्टिंग में 20 मिलियन को देता हूँ, फिर धीरे धीरे सबको दे दूंगा, समझा?
Oh, so it's not rolled out to everyone.
Yeah, it's not
That
rolled.
is why I
No.
haven't gotten it.
Yeah, it's not rolled out to everyone.
Damn it.
It's a graded rollout. It will eventually, gradually roll out to more and more people. So essentially, the first 20 million people are just beta testers for WhatsApp Pay. in a way.
Okay, now I feel better.
Yeah. So you're gonna get the better version of WhatsApp Pay. I hope that consoles the others.
No, भाई मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में पैसा नहीं था, दोस्त लोग मांग ही नहीं सकता.
जी. And
But
you can just tell them for the next 2-3 years कि नहीं, मैं कब तक नहीं WhatsApp पे.
नहीं, WhatsApp से नहीं दे सकता. नहीं, ये ले स्क्रीनशॉट तक नहीं है इसका ऑप्शन. Well, so India is moving to a digital currency pool काफी ज़्यादा, and I don't know about everyone, but I actually quit Cash unless it's absolutely necessary.
Same.
Because I hate touching those notes and
Same.
coins which have exchanged so many hands COVID के time.
Yes, same.
So complete. मैं actually wallet नहीं लेके जाता पता है just to avoid things that
Bro,
don't
even
allow
before COVID, I hated
GP
carrying
or
around
something
cash.
there.
Even before COVID, I never liked taking that big fat wallet. मैं literally 500 का नोट में back pocket में डालता हूँ, which is really unsafe. Don't do that, guys. But I'm just so, it's just.
How did you pay for auto then college आने के लिए?
अरे I used to put the wallet in my bag, right, and pocket में.
अरे fuck.
हाँ.
So-
अरे but when I'm not going to college, right, when I don't have a bag, I just hate carrying a wallet, like cash. I just don't like doing it. So UPI has been a
No.
saving grace for me, right? Whenever I got
Actually, UPI is only limited to India, and it was made by the Indian government, and it works so well.
it.
Like no other country has UPI.
Yeah, do you understand this, guys? There is no other country in the world, literally, where everybody can make payments under the same umbrella, right? That's what UPI is for India. 1.3, that's the potential goal. Ki 1.3 billion people can send each other money at the blink of an eye. That's the ability of UPI, ठीक है? And ये पूरी दुनिया में किधर भी नहीं है. What's surprising is that it was made by the government, a product which works
And-
extremely well, and it impacts a lot of people, and it has made a lot of people's lives easier, and it's software based, was made in India, which is extremely surprising.
The barrier of entry is so low. All you need is a bank
That's
account and a phone, and
That's it.
you're set up.
That's it.
Already.
Literally.
That is great.
The advent of WhatsApp Pay in India is particularly revolutionary. Like Facebook भाई बहुत excited है. Facebook भाई
It's like if you don't have the chat app now, you're missing out on payments too. Normally, now you're just missing out on chats, but payments too, damn. And the thing is, UPI is completely free. Like pura. If you have a debit card, you have to pay a debit card charge at the end of the year. If you have a credit card, you pay
Oh really?
what do you pay credit card के लिए? Yeah, for credit cards also you have to pay something at
I
the
think
end
it's
of the year.
2.5%.
Yearly fee or something like that you have to pay. UPI मैं थोड़े टाइम पहले न्यूज़ में देखा था कि banks were charging some percentage of the transaction UPI के लिए or just something on the transaction, and the government issued an order for all the banks to return the money.
क्या बात कर रहे
Not just don't collect it upset, they just said कि return the goddamn money जितना तुमने collect किया था. Imagine all the banks having to go back and just return all
reverse the
transactions.
transactions. Holy shit, that's a lot of work.
Let's start with the advantages of WhatsApp Pay. So the first advantage is not actually ours, it's Mark Zuckerberg's, and he's gonna have a massive expansion in WhatsApp abhi.
Bro, my
Because
god.
now not only are you missing out on chats, you're missing out on potential payments as well, and a payment platform that could be so big because of the way WhatsApp is integrated into our culture. Abhi WhatsApp
Seriously.
एक verb बन गया है.
Yeah.
WhatsApp me या ये.
Yeah. The first application that comes to my mind is me. जब भी मेरा for example, if I do an internship, right, or if I take up a paid gig or something, the reasons that they have for not paying me on time is less. You know, I can tell them कि भाई इधर ही पेमेंट का बटन है, कर दो पे. ठीक है? That's the biggest convenience that I can think of when it comes to freelancers and people who have their own businesses on WhatsApp. If you have not, I'm sure over the last 1 year, अगर तुमने कहीं फ्लाइट की बुकिंग की है, तुमने कहीं ओयो रूम बुक किया है, तुमने कहीं से मंगाया खाना, स्विगी भी तुमको टेक्स्ट करता है आजकल भाई, तो you have received a text from a WhatsApp business account. Now the power of having, and now WhatsApp is also going to put a shop button in WhatsApp. So I mean, do you understand how big this is? You're putting a product right in front of your customer, and then you're putting one tap payments. तेरे समझ रहा है Facebook का क्या full game plan? For the last 3 years, he mentioned a massive expansion, right? This is what he meant by massive expansion. Facebook last 2 साल में WhatsApp ने businesses शुरू किया. Facebook ने actually पहले Facebook businesses शुरू किया. Then WhatsApp businesses शुरू किया, and then WhatsApp payments शुरू किया. It's super planned, like काफी ज़्यादा planned था, and the friction between someone shopping on WhatsApp is so much less now than any other platform. You can't do that on Instagram, you can't do that on Facebook, right? Facebook पे वन टैप पेमेंट्स का फीचर नहीं है, Instagram पे वन टैप पेमेंट्स का फीचर नहीं है, WhatsApp में है, like literally the amount of time that it takes for you to send a picture to someone, उतना टाइम तुमको किसी को पे करने में लगेगा, right? So that's
And it just ties into the vision, right? So
yes,
Mark Zuckerberg का starting में क्या था? Put ads and then ads will take them to the company का payment platform and there you pay. Now this removed it and directly connected those two, and they are responsible for the connection of it.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
in a way उनका ज़्यादा loss नहीं हुआ and they just got rid of
No.
ads, which is one of the biggest unearns of Facebook in general.
I swear, man, it's insane. So yeah, that's the good news for people who have WhatsApp business accounts, and it just gives people more incentive to open a WhatsApp business account. And now that earning money via WhatsApp for small or medium businesses is so easy, Facebook is obviously going to take a cut out of it. अभी कितना cut है मुझे पता नहीं exactly, but I hope it's not too much.
And this is also good for salespeople, like those who text customers कि you can just text people, show them the क्या बोलते हैं, ask them to pay right over there,
Yeah.
and send them the receipt. That I know a person who has a cake business and she works through WhatsApp.
Exactly.
Like Instagram पे account है,
That is
but she talks to people on WhatsApp and then asks कैसा cake चाहिए and stuff, and you can just pay her there and just get
Exactly,
the
exactly.
and you'll get the receipt and then you'll get the cake part.
before WhatsApp pay there was the झंझट of I'll have to go to GPay, and GPay का अगर ट्रांजैक्शन मेरा अगर बैंक का सर्वर टाइम पास कुछ रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं किया तो सीन हो जाएगा. There was always that big barrier between paying your service person, but now that's just been removed. The limitations are insane. I can think of 5 to 10 people right now. One of them is again someone who makes and sells cakes. I mean, it's so cool, man. She can earn money like
Also, there is this minor inconvenience when you move apps, right? कि ये सही number है क्या? The amount of times I've tested people with Google Pay.
Yes.
Okay,
I did it last week.
I did this. तो wait, that gets removed completely. So it's a minor inconvenience, but it's still an inconvenience. And minor inconveniences multiplied by the number of transactions you have become a major inconvenience.
Yes.
Let's come to the disadvantages. So the only disadvantage I think there is to this feature is you're gonna be even more dependent on Facebook, and the history has taught us that. That's a bad.
Yeah.
That's a bad.
Yes.
So
that's something we've always advocated against in all of our previous podcasts as well. Don't get too dependent on one company, one manufacturer, one OEM. Just don't get dependent.
That's partly the reason why WhatsApp was blocked for a couple of years. That they have a huge user base, and I guess the government was worried that they'll become the monopoly.
They were like,
as I already said that.
Yeah, exactly. It's okay. So yeah, I mean the government भी थोड़ा सोच समझ के बोलती है यार.
Let's move on to the next feature. And जितना WhatsApp payment useful है, ये उतना ही useless है.
जी man, good one.
7-day disappearing messages.
Bro.
Why?
Man.
Why?
Oh god. I don't mean to plug.
कौन मांग? It's like the micro camera on the phones, you know. कोई मांगा क्या?
2MP macro camera. Exactly. Nobody uses it. Nobody asks for it. I cannot think of any scenario where that feature is actually useful, because एक तो भाई it's not like Snapchat की 10 सेकंड में disappear हो रहा है, right? You can't change the duration. अगर आप disappearing messages चालू करोगे, so from the time that you started that feature, right? वो टाइम से तुम्हारे सारे chats will start disappearing within 7 days. अभी ये जो फीचर है काफी ज्यादा niche audience के लिए, ठीक है? It's not for everybody.
Like I can think of only one audience that actually needs it.
Yes,
it's
please.
the people जिनके फोन में बहुत low storage है.
हाँ, oh yeah, that's
like,
a good one. That's a good
critically low, and then उनका 7 days का charge remove हो रहा है.
Smart.
That's the only thing, because this is not something for security. There are so many loopholes. पहले तो एक मिनट I hold people accountable WhatsApp से, ठीक है? कि तू ये बोला था कि ये नहीं किया, ये जो किया. Now they have disappearing messages, मतलब screenshot लेना पड़ेगा पहले तो. That brings me to the पहला loophole. People can just take screenshots. if a disappearing message is forwarded to a non-disappearing chat, the message stays forever. And the thing about it is, if you say this is for people to send pictures and then they'll disappear after 7 days, पहले तो screenshot ले लेते हैं लोग. Second of all, if किसी का auto download on है, if auto download is on by default, then as soon as you send the message, the photo gets imprinted in the storage. So that's not gonna get deleted anyway. So they can just go to the gallery and see the picture.
Yes, exactly.
So I don't know why this feature was introduced. If someone has anything, please put it in the comments or whatever. But yeah, can you think of something, Atif?
But no, absolutely. जो तू सोचा वो भी मतलब काफी smart था. Like I would have never thought of that. Key stories coming. But yeah,
I've been there, done that now.
Yeah, oh yeah. Two seemingly polarizing features that WhatsApp put out in 1 month. We'll see how it goes. The only reason that I feel कि WhatsApp can put something as useless as 7-day disappearing messages is if they have a future plan with it, right? जैसे कि ये लोग ने WhatsApp पे का मास्टरमाइंड खेला कि पहले ये लोग ने business accounts खोले WhatsApp पे, then पे का introduce किया feature. Maybe they have some plans with this disappearing feature as well, and they just want to test it out for now. So I think that's most probably the case.
Maybe
Let's see.
maybe it's also to not cause any havoc because people are used to how WhatsApp boomer से लेके Gen Z तक सब use करता है.
Exactly.
So if they put a feature that is game breaking, Gen Z तो used to हो जाएगा, but boomer से like क्या चल रहा है?
Exactly. That's probably what they're planning. मतलब धीरे-धीरे incrementally major changes करने, समझा? So that this could be the first incremental change. We don't know. We're just speculating. Okay, that's our job at Unengineer to unengineer all these tech news that we get and try to see reason behind them. Let's move on to the next topic.
Let's go from the most hated company at Unengineer to the most loved company at Unengineer, at least by me. Atik का पता नहीं.
Oh, bhai.
But Apple, all over again Apple. We end up at Apple at every 3 episodes.
God.
But what a move! Hats off to Tim Cook, man.
GG's.
क्या खेला है?
Yeah, I agree, man. I agree.
So, for those who don't know, Apple had a lawsuit with Epic Games about their 30% Apple cut, and Epic Games said basically you're a duopoly and that you're hurting other businesses. So here's what they did. It's a very specific move. And what they did is they said कि okay, all the small businesses who have revenue less than 1 million, unka we'll just take 15% of the cut.
All the businesses that have the apps on the App Store, that is.
Sorry, all. And that covers 98% of the App Store. So 98% of the logo ke liye, the Apple tax is going to be 15%, which you might think is great. Oh my God, why does Apple do it? Unka kitna revenue cut hoga? The thing is, these guys almost contribute nothing to the revenue. Ekdam kam.
Yes.
And the major part is contributed by the other 2% of the companies which have huge amount of transaction, Epic Games वगैरह.
Yes.
And इनका it is still 30%. So Apple has a little dent in their treasury, App Store वाले इसमें, but not that much. And the amount of PR, good PR that they got for this, because the headlines aren't Apple cuts 15%, for it's Apple tax has become 15%.
हाँ, वही. So essentially Epic का 2 arguments था, ठीक है? Epic बोल रहा था कि एक तो भाई तू पहले 30% से 15% करो, जो डेवलपर का कॉस्ट है, जो essentially इन ऐप परचेसेस जो है उसका 30% कट लेते थे एप्पल फ्रॉम ऑल डेवलपर्स. एपिक ने बोला कि कम करो, तो एप्पल ने कम किया, बट ओनली फॉर पीपल, वो एप्स जो साल में $1 million से कम रेवेन्यू लाते हैं. एंड द अदर आर्ग्यूमेंट दैट एपिक हैड वाज दैट एप्पल हैड अ टाई अप विद Amazon, जहां वो लोग Amazon से सिर्फ 15% का कट ले रहे थे, ठीक है, स्टार्टिंग से. सो बाकी सबसे 30%, Amazon से 15%. Kind of unfair, right?
Amazon Prime and some other apps. There were some exceptions that were made.
Yeah. These exceptions were obviously influential, big corporate giants, obviously. And then Apple was like, okay, Epic, you have a problem with this policy that we follow. Okay, we'll make it a rule. What you want to do now? So Apple was like, Apple ने ये भी नया रूल बना कि there will be some partners in the App Store Partners program that Apple will favor, and then give them subsidized
15%
15% cut. Yeah, 15% cut.
So for that you have to have a good relationship with Apple.
Yeah,
and let's just put it in good words, and say that Epic doesn't have a great relationship with Apple.
Why?
I
Oh my
actually
God.
remember hearing this news, like Atik, and this other guy have this group who galti se ban gaya tha, I guess, for his podcast. And
Yes.
there he put the headline कि Apple ने cut 15% कर दिया, and my first reaction was, what the fuck? And I was like, this is not possible. This is such an un-Apple move.
Yes, correct.
And then he said, wait, kuch terms and conditions. And then I read the news and I was like, okay, this is an Apple move. Epic could have played this way better than what
I
they
agree.
did
I
right
agree.
now.
I agree. मतलब काफी थोड़ा.
It's just that they kept this small loophole and Apple exploited it पूरा ज़्यादा. It's not good that Apple did this, but what a move.
Yeah, I mean we're not.
It's not good for the general public. That
Yeah, we're not actually condoning it. We're just in awe, and we are appreciating. We're giving Apple the appreciation they deserve for thinking like this, but we don't actually condone it. Like ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था.
We don't. Anyway, so I guess that's it for this week's podcast. We have an exam, so we're gonna have to edit, and you're gonna have to edit this on our own. We're this man. We miss you. Come back. And that's about it. Do you want to add something? We have a clips channel. Go to the clips channel and watch clips if you don't have time.
Yes.
Or if you have a lot of time, watch this episode and the clips too.
बस भाई and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. और हम हर हफ्ते हम एक unengineered podcast का episode निकालते हैं. So if you don't want to miss it, press the damn bell icon, dude. Press the bell icon ताकि तुमको notification मिल जाए. ठीक है? और सबसे पहले तुम आगे comment.
We set the bell icon, Vedas.
Yeah, Vedas told me.
Okay, so all the links that you need will be in the description to our LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and everything. And that's it. Get unengineered. Bye bye.
Good job, Advait, with the outro.